In 2017, we created a startup factory dedicated to mass manufacturing using polymer material. And we had the idea to make the same thing using additive manufacturing for metal, but using the traditional technology with laser and supports. It's a little bit complicated and the systems are very slow. Removing the supports when you are making stainless steel part, for example, is very complicated. It takes a lot of time, so it's expensive. And thanks to this powder-based technology, it's really easy because you don't have any support. And on top of that, you have also more freedom in terms of design. We were convinced that with the binder jetting and the system from Desktop Metal, we get the pillar to develop mass production using additive manufacturing with metal. We were a little bit afraid about the furnace because we know that it's the key of the transformation of the printed parts. But we are using the software supplied by Desktop Metal to simulate the sintering of the parts, so it's not so complicated to manage.